Hello everyone. So today we will be dealing with rule of law. Rule of law was formulated by A.V. Dicey. This has been incorporated in our administrative law and is one of the major postulates of administrative law. Now, the rule of law can basically be divided into three parts. That is, predominance of legal spirit. Secondly, there must be equality before law. And thirdly, supremacy of law. These are the basic postulates on which the rule of law has been built upon. By achieving a status quo of rule of law, they ensure equality, accountability and freedom to the legal system of a country. Now, in India, the rule of law was not incorporated until a famous judgment named ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Shukla was given, where they said a law cannot be removed or said unconstitutional on the basis that it is against the rule of law. This judgment is considered as the black day of the legal history of India. This judgment was overturned in the case of Keshav Nanda Bharti, where it was held that rule of law is one of the major aspects of the legal scenario in India and was one of the basic structures of the Indian Constitution. Any law which did not follow this, the rule of law principle, would be deemed to be unconstitutional. The second judgment was Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Narayan, where it was said that rule of law needed to be followed, and in any way, if the rule of law was not followed and there was any arbitrary power used, that power would be struck down, and as it offends the concept of rule of law. Now, rule of law has been adopted in India, and it has been adopted in a much broader sense, as in the case of Sheela Barse, where for the first time how women should be treated in custody was laid down under the principle of rule of law. Thank you.